Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this 6-petal raised center granny square. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Make 12 double crochet in the ring. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 of the loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Now go ahead and make 12 double crochet in the ring. Okay, I've gone ahead and I made 12 double crochet in the ring. There's my first chain 2. It does not count as a stitch. I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the first double crochet. Now you can pull that yarn end and close up the center and fasten off. And I'm going to tie these 2 yarn ends together to get them out of my way. If you're making a blanket where the back is also going to show, you could weave the yarn ends into the finished work. I'm going to attach a new color in any stitch. Just going to lock it in by taking 1 stitch with both the yarn end and the working yarn, and that'll count as the first chain. So I'm going to chain 2 more, so that would be a total of chain 3, and I'm going to single crochet in the next stitch. I'm going to do that all the way around. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last chain 3. I'm going to slip stitch to join in the base of the first chain 3. And I have 12 loops all the way around. So now I'm going to single crochet in the next loop. And in the next loop, I'm going to make a petal, so that's going to be single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1 triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Chain 2, slip stitch in the top of that triple crochet, make another triple crochet, move those over, so triple, 2 doubles, 1, 2, 1 half double, 1 single. And now you're going to come all the way over here and you're going to slip stitch, and that will bring the petal together. Single crochet in the next loop. Make a petal in the next loop. Single, half double, 2 doubles, 1 and 2, triple, chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in the top of that triple, make another triple, two doubles, one half double, and a single. And I'm going to come all the way over and slip stitch like that. So I'm going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. I have 6 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to slip stitch to join in that first single crochet. So now I'm going to be working in the back of the petals. So I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to work 4 double crochet in the bottom of each petal. So right in this section at the base of each petal. Okay, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the base of the petal. I'm going to go to the next petal and I'm going to work 4 double crochet. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, making 4 double crochet in the base of each petal. At the end of the row, I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the first double crochet. And that's what that looks like. And I'm going to fasten off this color. And I'm going to attach another color in any stitch, lock it in, I'm going to chain 1 more, that will be the equivalent of 2, and I'm going to make 2 more double crochet in that stitch. So that's 3. I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to make 3 more double crochet in the same stitch. That's going to be one of my corners. Like that. That's my corner stitch. Double crochet in the next 5 stitches. So I have a corner, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the next stitch, I'm going to make a corner. 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, double crochet in the next 5 stitches. like that. Now I'm going to make a corner. Double crochet in the next 5 stitches. In the next stitch, make a corner. 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet. Double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Like that, a corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the end of the row, I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And that's what that looks like. And I'll do one more row of pink. Stop, so that's chain 2. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now in that chain 1 space, I'm going to make a corner. 3 double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. Now I'm going to make 1 double crochet in each of the stitches all the way up to the next chain 1 of the next corner. So 1 double crochet in each stitch. Right up to the chain 1. Okay, I double crocheted right up to the chain 1, and now I'm going to make a corner in the chain 1. Like that. And there's my other corner. And I'm going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last double crochet. There's my chain 2. Slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And now you can fasten off and weave the yarn end into the finished work. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make this 6-petal raised flower center granny square. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.